This is the second exterior panel, not the one with the flap on. So this is the front, and I've used my template to mark a little tiny dot on the front of my faux leather, and I'm using a silver pen because obviously markers don't show very well on black, but that shows quite nicely, just to mark it. And we're going to fit this in exactly the same way as we fitted the first one. So I'm going to take my washer, and I'm going to grab a silver pen because this time it's easier to do, to mark it and then cut it, because we've got the foam to go through as well. So I've got 1, 2, and those go through. That's where the washer sits. So you can see there that I've just made 2 little lines, one either side. And I'm going to take my craft knife and I'm going to go through both the exterior and the foam. Now sometimes it's worth just poking your craft knife through to make sure that you've gone through both layers. And they appear to have done. So I'm going to take the female part. So this is, very often it's the thicker part. You can get narrow ones so they're not so thick, and I'm just going to poke those prongs through those holes that I've made to the back. Now if you wanted to add a piece of extra faux leather on this bit, you can do. I generally do it all the time if I can. It depends how thick your exterior fabric is, because you don't want, you need to have enough left on the prongs to be able to bend them over, otherwise your magnetic fastener isn't, whoa, throw things all over the place. Your magnetic fastener isn't secure. So I'm going to pop that over there. Then I'm going to take my washer, I'm going to push them down, and then I'm going to push, oh that's my telephone going, I hope somebody answers it. I'm going to push those prongs outwards, and in exactly the same way as we did before, a piece of duct tape. And there we go. That's the second half of your magnetic fastener fitted onto your bag.